Hey guys, it's a nice crisp morning here in southern Indiana as we roll into fall. We're on our way here pulling up to a house that has some potential. We were contacted by Indiana Landmarks about a property in the Clarksville, Indiana area, and this is a home that was purchased by an out-of-state investor, I'm assuming at a tax sale, and the house will probably become a low-end rental house. And Indiana Landmarks contacted us saying this house has potential to go back as a historic home with all the character being left intact, because there's a lot of details here that are still in the house. So we're going to go in today. We were given permission to go in with a lockbox code, check out this house and see if it's something we'd be able to purchase, be able to rehab, and possibly put back in the hands of private homeowners. So come along guys, we're going to check it out, see if it's something we think might have some potential. So we're sitting here on a beautiful lot. Looks like it's a double wide lot. Definitely have some water damage you can see there. But man, to have some of the original details in place, original porch posts, look at all that dental molding and those brackets in place still. We got all the headers over the windows. The cool thing about this spot too is we are just a stone's throw away from the greenway that's here. So that's a walking path that runs from New Albany along the Ohio River all the way through to Clarksville and Jeffersonville, Indiana. So anyone in this home can simply walk out and get on their bike or go for a run right there on the greenway. There's some beautiful headers over those windows too. Looks like at some point maybe that window was replaced in the front, maybe now it's a picture window. And that would have originally been maybe a double hung window in the front. You can see someone got a little crazy with all the great stuff. Spray foam is a way to try to seal that corner up. Looks like it didn't work. Got all the aluminum siding covering the house. Hopefully the original wood is underneath all of that. And then this side, maybe a garage add-on, carport, something that was enclosed at some point. Check that out. Looks like they still had all the original box gutters. You can see where the downspout runs through it and up to the top. Looks like those have definitely failed through the years. Looks like more of the box gutters have failed there. Still have the original wood vent in the gable. The window headers. Maybe this was an addition here on the back, possibly a back door right there in that spot. Let's see, we got a stoop there. Coming around the back of the house here. Looks like we've had a couple add-ons. I'm guessing we have a cat living in the house here. Just had a big black cat run right past us. Yeah, looks like that was the garage. Tied in maybe to a breezeway that went into the house. And then on the back, yeah, all that's rotted there along the original box gutters. Well, enough on the outside. Let's go in and see what we can find in here. Yep, definitely not a window in the front there. Beautiful windows though. There's our spot where the box cutter failed us. All right, let's get some light on here. Second room. Got some plaster needed to replace. That's an interesting way to run the electric through the house. Beautiful beautiful carpet. Check that out. Man, love it. A nice little slope on this house. Feels like we're going down to the middle here. Looks like the corner of the house we saw on the outside. Box field. Sliding down to the inside of the house. Original windows intact. Found a cat. So this looks like a breezeway that went over to the garage area on the side. Check it out. Ew, that's some mold. Look at that. You don't put plastic over the insulation, use house wrap instead. Definitely cannot breathe. Got original cloth wiring in there still. Some crazy amount of electrical tape. Check that out. Critter poop. Critter poop. Carport. Decent size. Single car. One of the original doors there, maybe. Transom window. Alright. What do we got? Distributor cap. Comes with work boots. Cast iron tub. Not much of a kitchen here. Start your own beer kit right here. Yep, definitely not much of a kitchen. I feel like this is an access down below us here. We're walking on some plywood. So that may be a crawl space underneath that. Let's see. That'll be for a later day. Somebody started demoing the bathroom. Looks like that's where the tub came out. Man, look at all that. Looks like things are nesting up underneath the tub all those years. So there's a full bath off of the kitchen on the first floor. I wonder if that's the only bath. Got a basement, no steps, one ladder. Maybe not today. Leave that for another time. Beautiful electric. Check that out. That's some good stuff. All right, let's go upstairs. So first floor. This room? Dining room, maybe? Front room. Formal living room. Maybe this is like a family room. Breakfast room in the back and kitchen. And the laundry room off to the side on that breezeway. Something like that. See what we can find upstairs. Alright, low ceiling. Seriously low ceiling. Someone's practicing their letters. Keep out. Okay. Watch out for the critter poop. So we're back here on our second day. My dad and I are back to take a look. Apparently the first time I was here, I accidentally turned off the video as we were going up. So somehow didn't have any of the video of the second floor. So let's go upstairs, take a look. Once again, massive amounts of critter poop as we get up here. We're gonna watch out for that. Second floor, here we are. Upstairs hallway. See, we got the transom windows above each of the bedroom doors. Got bedroom number 1, beautiful green shag carpet. Fireplace still intact, nice size closet, and that's some of the damage we saw on the outside where they had put all the foam insulation trying to stop it. You can actually see where it came through on the inside here. Definitely wasn't the right fix.
So that panel's, I mean, this is aluminum, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's gonna all come off.
So bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 gets the blue shag. Nice size closet. So this is what goes out over the top of the steps. That's why it doesn't have much headroom to it. Door with the transom top. Got some plaster work to do here. Got the original grate still in place. Look at that. And then bedroom number 3 at the end of the hall. So this is the 1 bedroom with the bathroom attached to it. You can see here. It's got its own carpet in it. Look at that, beautiful. Cast iron tub. Beautiful wallpaper. So a good sized bedroom. I'd call this the master, I guess. Looks like they probably added this closet. You can see the joint there, actually. There's a joint in the baseboard. Drywall where it attaches to the plaster, where they added that in. So this master, say we got a yellowish color shag in this one. Twin windows in the front, nice size second window, and again, original fireplace mantle. This is what we uncovered last time as well too. Looks like we do have all the original hardwood floors under all this beautiful shag carpet. Looks like our carpet pad has absolutely disintegrated. It's probably sticking to the floors in most places, but definitely nice to have the hardwood intact.